G'day ladies and gentlemen, my name is Chris and welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a total video experience for you guys in a bit of an Australian accent. I hope you don't mind. I'm kidding. Yeah, I'm totally kidding, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris. This is a glimpse inside a holiday gift guide for makers. Now, a lot of us are makers. If you're probably watching this, you make something in your life. You're probably subscribed to this channel because we're in the maker space. However, there may be other makers in your life that you want to buy gifts for, and everyone seems to be talking about various things. There's always drill bits. There's always the little digital miter gauge thingamajig, which are all great gifts. Screwdriver sets, you name it, tape measures, it's all good. But this guide is here to tell you that there are things that I use in this shop all the time that I know are so handy that you may not think that the makers need in their life. And they're not real expensive, and I'm gonna explain just what these things are. Without further ado, in no particular order, I'm gonna go through them now. So the first one is drill bit. I'm kidding. Everybody has drill bits. The first one are these cool little adapters called Tadpoles. All right, these are absolutely fantastic, and they come in a multitude of sizes, as you see here. You can put them on blue tape, yellow tape, green tape, doesn't matter. You name it, and they make this process. Actually, this yellow tape is actually fairly hard to rip. You can't really rip it. I mean, well, okay, of course you can, but I'm just strong. It's really, I mean, it's super great. The fact of the matter is that, well, you get it. They're little tape dispensers that hook on a roll of tape, and when you're done, you put it on the next one. Really cool gift idea. Again, I'm gonna link all these down below. I'm gonna have Amazon links, so check them out. All right, now, moving on. Ready? Okay. It may seem like a no-brainer, but paste wax. Paste wax, I use this stuff all the time. I probably put a coat of it on the back of, or the bottom of my crosscut sled and on my table saw once a week. And I also, when I go ahead and refinish my work surfaces, which I do from time to time, probably every 2-3 weeks, maybe once a month, I always put a coat of this on them because nothing really sticks to it. You can drop finish, super glue, everything just pops right off with a little bit of a chisel or a screwdriver. This is definitely a great gift for all you makers out there. And yeah, moving on. All right, what we got? Oh man, this might be one of my favorite things to use in the shop, maybe of all time, besides tools. These are squirt bottles. I bought these in 2 different sets. One came with these nice little fancy labels. This is mineral spirits. I keep, what is this, alcohol with the nature removed. I think you know what that is. But I keep everything in this, from boiled linseed oil to polyurethane to even even something as simple as water. H2O, I keep that in a bottle over there as well. You never know when you're gonna need these things, and these are fantastic. These are restaurant style squeeze bottles. These make great gifts as well. And here we go. Keeping with the restaurant theme, I used these in my Uncrustable video. If you haven't seen that, that's on the channel a few videos back. It's pretty cool. But these are deli style containers. Now, what are these good for in the maker space? Yeah, you guessed it. Not just storage, but mixing various compounds like epoxy resin or paint. Who knows? You can use these for all kinds of reasons. Storage, mixing, they're fantastic to have around. Again, links are down below. All right, a couple more here for you. A couple more here for you. Actually, put those away. Now, this is a new saw blade. This was a fairly expensive one. This was around $75, and it's got a 30-tooth saw blade. This is a great one. It's made by Freud. But however, there is a company called Diablo that is simply at your local Home Depot that sells blades just like this for around 30 bucks. And honestly, you may think, why would I buy a maker a saw blade? That seems like a personal thing. Let me tell you something. We as makers, a lot of us, I know I'm in this boat, we don't change our saw blades enough, nor do we take them off and clean them enough. They get bogged up with resin and all kinds of sap and just all kinds of stuff. But there's not much of a better, well, I mean, there is a better feeling. Trust me, I know. But it's a fantastic feeling to put a new blade on a table saw. And if you've got a maker in your life, they've probably got a table saw, whether it's a cabinet saw professional grade or it's a granite top rigid that I used for the last 10 years, or it could be a job site saw. Running material through a fresh blade is always a great feeling, and you can give someone that feeling this holiday season. All right, and last but not least, a 100 count pack of utility blades. These, when you need one of these, you think you've got one put somewhere. Oh, I put it right. Where's it at? You can't find it. It's never around. So you grab another one. And having 100 of them on hand is a great thing. These are great gifts for any maker. I hope you guys really got some value out of this video. I know it was a short one and not much of a production value, but these items in my shop are kind of the unsung heroes of the making experience. And I really hope you enjoyed it, guys. So get out there. Hopefully you've got some ideas here. And if you want to get these on Amazon, they're linked down below, right in the description. Guys, again, thank you for joining me. My name is Chris. This has been a glimpse inside a holiday gift guide 2019. And thanks for joining me. My name is Chris, and thank you for being here. I wish you all a very wonderful Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. Take care, be safe.